Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Poco X5 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this smartphone. So let's open themes store, and here we need to find the most beautiful themes. So I love one of the themes. So just open search and find here clouds. Find here clouds, and as you can see here we have the theme with a girl. So just find it, open, download, wait a while. So this theme in the sort place in my tab. Click apply and go back to the home screen. Great, as you can see, my navigation buttons was changed. Icons on my device was redrawn. Maybe not all icons, but biggest part of my icons was redrawn, and of course was changed the wallpaper of the settings application and all system applications. So I really think that it's really beautiful wallpapers, a really beautiful theme for your device. Of course, you have great lock screen wallpapers too, and I think it's really great theme. So on the second place in my tab is hydrogen ball theme. Just find it, hydrogen ball. So now we need to find it. Okay, the name of the theme was changed to gradient ball. Okay, so just find gradient ball, click apply, download. Go back to the home screen, and great. As you can see, here we have really beautiful design. Our icons was redrawn too. Here we have now the anime girl in settings application, but we have beautiful wallpapers, and here we have redrawn system icons, as you can see. Of course, here we have hydrogen ball lock screen. Here we will have all our messages in this style, and what the best. If you want to unlock your device, you can't make it using swipe from up to down. You need to do swipe from left to right. So swipe from left to right, and in this way you can unlock your device. Swiping from down to up, you will open the wallpapers mode, so you can choose dark mode, light mode, purple, and you can change wallpapers, and that's it. So this theme was on the second place in my top, but on the first place in my top is a theme not from Xiaomi theme store, but from Play Store. So open Xiaomi Play Store and find here Lawn Chair. Find it, Lawn Chair 2, click install, and additional thing you need to do is to install viral icon pack. Just install. Okay, go back to the home screen. Here you will see Lawn Chair. Click on it, click below, and now go to the settings. Find applications here. Where I have applications, apps, okay. choose manage choose default apps, manage home screen shortcuts, manage apps. Sorry, I can see it here. Uninstall system app settings. No. Home screen shortcuts. Okay, I will do it later. So open launcher. Here you can open settings. In settings you can see here that here we have settings of our launcher, and why I really love this launcher, because we can set up here, we can add here all icons you want. For example, if you have your favorite icon pack in the Play Store, you can open this icon pack, download it, pay it for free, and click apply. Choose apply to launcher, and as you can see here, we have really beautiful icons. But now we need to apply our launcher as default. So here we can choose home layout and find default launcher here and choose launcher. Great. Of course, as you can see, we are using purple ball, hydrogen ball theme with our launcher. So in this way, we have beautiful lock screen and beautiful icons and normal Android menu, normal Android apps menu. So I really like it, and I suggest to try to use Xiaomi themes in pair with Play Store themes. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.